Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube unboxing, I've I've got something that I got at Harbor Freight that I think we all should have in our house. And I got the accessories for it too. Not all the accessories, but some. Because I didn't have time to get everything today. So I'll probably go this week on Thursday to get the other ones. But I'll probably won't do an unboxing on that because it's just the accessories. So it's the Hercules 20-volt Lithium-Ion 1x2 hammer drill driver. Max power, job site durable, superior comfort. And as you can see here, this is the only downfall from Harbor Freight is that it's a tool only. Battery and charger sold separately. The charger is $29.99 at Harbor Freight, and the battery is $39.99 at Harbor Freight. And I believe this is Impact. As you can see, it's my first time buying from Hercules products, but they told me that Harbor Freight, out of all the drill companies they have, like Chicago Electric, Breyer, and what's the other one? Well, there's another one out there. Well, Warrior. Hercules is the best. It even says so right here, legendary performance. It has 4-pole motor drivers, maximum performance and durability in a compact size. 2-speed transmission, covers all drilling, driving, and fastening applications. Delivers 0.34 thousand blows per minute, idle for drilling in masonry and concrete. That's right, masonry and concrete. All metal gear construction, built to withstand job site abuse. Bright LED light illuminates work area. Oh, I didn't know I had an LED light on it. That's pretty cool. It's a bonus. Jacobs 1x2 ratcheting chuck provides ultimate bit retention. Yep, the RPM 0x600 by 0x2000. Maximum torque 576 blows per minute, which is the BPM. 0.10200, 0.34,000. Overall length 7x3/4. Net weight 3.7 pounds. For best performance, use the Hercules accessories. Yeah, which is what I got. And here you see the hammer drill icon. Oh, yeah, that's right. And today I also got a new unboxing knife. Let me show y'all. A 8-point tactical knife. I thought I would get a new knife because my old one for unboxings is old already. And this one's, brand new, and it's better for unboxing these things. Yeah, look at that. Anyways, back to what we were talking about. Yeah, that's what everyone wants to see. The unboxing. First thing you get is the drill. Nothing else inside the box out of what I know of. The warranty and instruction manual. Oh yeah, and the belt clip, which I'll be putting on after this unboxing, which is mainly simple. Here's the drill driver. This thing, can you believe this thing goes all the way up to 19? Oh, Hercules, Hercules. And then right here you have the picture. You got the three main pictures right there. If you want to drill through concrete and you want to use the war hammer, you kind of twist it right there, and then you want to twist it right there, and then the battery goes down here. This would be your it's a twist on. It's beautiful. I love you, baby. I love you a lot. And as I promised, here are the accessories, or at least two accessories. I'm still missing the other stuff, but don't worry, I'll get it on Thursday. Not that you're gonna see an unboxing on it, because there's no point, but yeah. This is the 3 impact rated quick release bit holder, 1x4 hex, and it's magnetic. Torque point maximum strength, and it's impact rated. Aha. Just pop that sucker in right there. Boom. And last but not least, the 5-piece Hercules Masonry drill bit set for concrete, cinder block, brick, and tile, up to 5x lifelong for hammer drills. Has blast point, turbo premium carbide tips. It comes with a 5x32, 3x16, 1x4, 5x16, 3x8, and of course, I'm starting to notice that Hercules has this logo everywhere. Legendary performance. You lift it up. It's a good storage too. This is where you store them. It's a good storage. Wow. And well, guys, that was today's unboxing of the Hercules impact drill with 2 accessories. Thanks for watching. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tune in next time for another exciting episode, because you don't know what I may do. It may be an unboxing, it may be live gameplay on my PlayStation, it may be an adventure somewhere. Whatever it may be, you just always have to tune in. Thanks for watching. See you later.